Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Sport 4.4p V8 SV. Now this vehicle is a petrol with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Arroios grey metallic paint. To start off with then, you have your digital LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 22-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the Arroios grey exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid. Once open, you can find that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony and light cloud leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel. Once again, you can find that lovely leather upholstery on front sports style seats, really finishing off the sporty look and design. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, along with your SV mode driving option to get the full feel of the vehicle. You also have a head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what, along with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps or perhaps just listen to your own music. You of course also have your body and soul seats for a full immersive audio experience whilst listening to your favourite songs. Of course, you also have your 4x4 information, terrain response drive modes, your adjustable ride height and weight sensing. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring that you always stay comfortable throughout. You also have your park assist, whether this is to help you park in a space or perhaps leave one, and helping you a bit further with that is your 3D view camera, allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. As well as this, the front seats in this vehicle are in fact massage seats, ideal for those longer journeys, ensuring that you always stay comfortable no matter what, allowing you to adjust the massage direction as well as the intensity. And the front seats are in fact also heated and ventilated, ideal for both those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones, and paired with this is a dual zone climate control. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover Sport 4.4p V8 SV that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.